If you are using Microsoft Word to type your papers, then you are going to use a file upload to submit your assignment. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, you open Microsoft Word, of course, and type your paper and save it. After that is finished, you're going to go into Canvas. Okay, so I am going to open a sample assignment. I'll open a paragraph assignment here. And you can see up here I have submit assignment. So we always start like that. And then here you're going to see your choices. I can use a file upload, Dropbox, Google Drive, or Office 365. So right now I'm going to use a file upload because I wrote my paper in Microsoft Word. So I'll go here to choose file. Then I can locate my paper. Well, this is taking forever. If you type your papers on Microsoft Word, and then you want to submit your paper to Canvas, then you need to use a file upload. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So here I am in my modules, and I find the assignment that I want to submit. So let's imagine it's this one. And anytime there's an assignment, there's going to be a submit button. So we always start with that blue button. Here you can see the options. So file upload is the first choice. I'm going to choose the file. So it's going to take me to the files in my computer. So I will find the file that I want to submit. Let's say it's this one. So I'm going to submit this assignment. I'm going to click open. And then I'm going to see the file right here. I'm not done yet though. I still have to submit the assignment. I chose it, then I have to submit it. So I'm going to click down here, submit assignment. It takes a moment. It says submitting, submitting. And then I can see in the top corner over here it says submitted and gives the information about when I submitted it. If I want to do it again, if I think I made a mistake, I can go back and resubmit. So that's how you submit a paper if you write it in Microsoft Word.